Subscribe to this channel.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your WhatsApp account. All right, but one more thing guys, before creating a WhatsApp account you need to go to a Play Store and search for WhatsApp on the Play Store search bar, then download WhatsApp. All right, but in order to download an app in Play Store, there are certain things you need to consider. All right, first you need to have a Google account. If you do not have a Google account, make sure to create one before going to Play Store. All right, if not it can't open. First you need to have your Google account, then from that point you will get access to download any sort of app that you want in Play Store. All right, so before wasting any time, let's go straight away into our Play Store, then download the application, which is WhatsApp, then customize it. All right, it's super simple guys. You can do your WhatsApp just like you are seeing on the screen here. All you need to do, you need a phone number, and only a phone number, and also like some contact, okay? Because in order also to chat with someone in WhatsApp, you need to have their contact, okay? So before wasting any time, let's jump and do it guys. Hey guys, okay, to open the WhatsApp it's super easy, okay? To install the WhatsApp it's super easy. All you need to do is to go to your menu and search for Play Store. All right, then type WhatsApp and wait. Then you have to install this application. Open it and also try to enter your phone number. All right, it's easy guys. All you need to do is just to enter your phone number and also try to verify your phone number, okay? Yeah, a confirmation code will be sent to your phone number, okay? Yeah, and you just need to allow some little permissions, okay? So you need to enter your name and also choose a profile photo, okay, for the WhatsApp. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, you have to go to a gallery, then choose, this is the photo, I like it so much. Yeah, done. Then that is all about WhatsApp.